what trade dress is something that we should be talking about firsthand. Before we get into that, what do you think is the idea behind trademarks? Why do trademarks exist? Um, Trademarks are something which have to be capable of graphical representation. They have to be distinctive. They have to be able to identify someone's brand. But why is it that the trademarks exist? There are basically two facets to it. One is the view from the side of the consumer, and the other one is from the seller. The seller would, of course, want that his goods, whatever he is selling, is identified as belonging to him and no one else. No one else should be able to claim the similar identity as he has, because then if that happens, then he would incur losses, because that would cause confusion. If, for example, let's just take the example of Parle G. If you tomorrow go to the market and you want to buy a packet of Parle G, you find a very similar looking packet, a yellow packet with stripes and something similar written on it. Aren't there chances of you, instead of buying Parle G, ending up buying that product? When you do this, this will basically cause a loss to Parle G, because instead of the money going to them, it is going to someone else, and you as well, because you never intended to buy something else. You wanted to buy Parle G, but you ended up buying something else because there was confusion being caused because of the packaging of the product. This is what the primary intention behind trademark law is, that you do not want there to be confusion. You do not want people to be confused about the source of identification of your trademark, right? Basically your origin of goods or services, for that matter. Now, this is trademarks. But trade dress is what, as I've written in my PPT, that trade dress of a product is the overall appearance of that product, which includes its packaging, its color combination, or the shape of the overall goods. So while trademark is something which is just, either a word or something along with the word, a symbol, which is like one particular symbol or word which a company or an entity would be recognized by, the trade dress would be the overall appearance of it, not just the words, not just the symbols, but the overall appearance of it. So now, looking at the definition of trade dress, do you think that trade dress fulfills the purpose of trademarks essentially? What trademarks basically intend to cover is the fact that they want trademarks should be identified with the person that they belong to. Okay, that is the source of origination that you should know. Even with respect to trade dress, that is something that could happen. Like I said, that you saw Parle G, you did not see just the words which were similar. You also saw that the packaging was similar. There was this yellow packet. Maybe there was a girl also, maybe some different girl, but there was rather a girl, and there were stripes and everything was similar. So you got confused and you ended up buying Parle something else, Parle P, for example. So that is something that would be a problem for you as well as Parle G. So hereby we establish the fact that trade dress are equally capable of identifying your goods or services as belonging to you, which is basically the purpose of trademark law.